will talk about how can you get premium on your Meyo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So all you have to do, just click here on me down here. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on VIP here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just here select. So if you want to add 7 days or 1 month here, so here can you select, or 3 months here can you select in this list. Just click on it. I'm going to click here on 1 month for example. So when you just click on it, you wishing to open with you here in this list. So in here you click here on add credit or debit card, then add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.